Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how a lender can be informed about the activities and the other notifications of the system. So basically in app we have a notification page where you can receive the notification of all the status and different activities of an appraisal order and other activities as well. Other than this, we also have the email that are received to that specific user for the updates of an appraisal order and other activities of the portal. So currently we are on the dashboard and I will guide you through how you can move towards the notification page. Move towards the dashboard of the specific user. Currently, we are logged in as Neil Armstrong, the lender account, and we have to navigate towards the notification page. And over here, you can see the all notifications of the system. So as you can see, there is an order update like reject dates if the changes are requested for an appraisal order, and if a code is received, or a code is required, an account is approved. So these types of information you can get from the notification page. And when you are at a point where you're on the portal and you receive a notification, you can see it over here as well. And over here, it's just a type of a message that just indicates you that it's an alert notification over here, and you would need to get in the detail of the notification. You can go towards the notification app and you can see. And if you want to mark as read, so you just click on this particular notification and it will be marked as read. And if you want to mark all of them as read, you can click on this particular button. All the notifications are now marked as read. So this is all for today's video. Thank you for watching.